Everyone in new Bitcoin mining platform with me. I want to show you another way how to withdraw your FNBTC and of course swap it for BNB or USDT BEP20 via Pancakeswap in your back office. As you all know, I have already done a video on how to withdraw your profits. So that withdrawal video is slightly different from this one. This is another way for you to withdraw your FNBTC and able to swap it in Pancakeswap. So I am going to quickly dive into my back office and show you how to do that. But before I start to show you how to do that, remember that you need to claim all your rewards first. Okay, as you can see, I am currently mining on this block 1946, and you can see that it's still pending because it is still mining. It has not finished yet. Okay, I have 1 hour 48 minutes more for this block to finish mining, and then I will be able to claim. But I have already claimed for the block of 1945, which has completed mining for the past 4 hours. Okay, so when you finish claiming all your rewards, because you know you can claim all of these rewards, and then all your FNBTC will go back into your decentralized wallet. Okay, in this video tutorial I am going to use Token Pocket for this video tutorial, and right here you will notice that I have BNB worth of $3 and I have 9 FNBTC. As you can see that my FNBTC here is 9.37. okay, so what I have done after claiming my rewards, I put back majority of it back into mining, and then I left just 10%. That 10% is coming up to 9.37 FNBTC. okay, and we all know that FNBTC right now, the market price here is $9.54. okay, so I am only going to swap 9 FNBTC that I have in my back office, as you can see from my Token Pocket. Okay, I'm just giving you all this background information. I don't need to give you all of this. Okay, but you know what I'm talking about. If you are already in FNBTC mining, you know how to claim. I've done a video on how to claim, right? So claim, take 50% or take 20%, whatever, put it back into your mining, and then leave the other one in your wallet for you to swap it. So now once you have left some in your decentralized wallet, either Trust Wallet you are using, Token Pocket, or whatever wallet you are using for this mining, you go to swap on your dashboard in your NEWBTC, right? So when you click on swap, you click on buy on Pancakeswap. Just click on buy on Pancakeswap. It will open up Pancakeswap, right? Right here at the top right here, you will see where it says connect wallet. So click on connect wallet, and then this page will now open. When this page open, it will display all your wallets, okay, depending on the wallet you are using to do your mining and where your FNBTC has been deposited. You select Token Pocket. For me, I am using Token Pocket, so I'm going to select Token Pocket. For you, if you are using MetaMask wallet, select MetaMask wallet. If you are using Trust Wallet, Trust Wallet will appear here. You select Trust Wallet. Okay, so I am going to select Token Pocket, and then right here, once you select Token Pocket or select your wallet, it's going to give you 2 options to connect. Now the first option is EVM. What does it stand for? It stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine, and it allows different blockchains to run Ethereum based apps using the same wallet and address. And of course, below this you will notice that they have BNB, okay, which is Binance Smart Chain, and they have other chain networks here. Okay, so the option for you to select is the EVM. So connect, so click connect alongside the EVM to connect your wallet. Okay, and then click connect, and then your wallet will be connected. Once your wallet is connected, on this swap button, when you click on this swap button, it will now to swap your FNBTC for BNB or USDT. So at the bottom here, just select BNB if it is BNB you want to swap it to, or you select USDT. Okay, so you can select either USDT to swap it to USDT, okay, and then enter the amount you want to withdraw from here or you want to swap for. If you want to say 25%, you select 25%. If you want 100%, you select 100%, right? But in this case, I am going to select everything. So when I select everything, you will notice that it's giving me $19. Okay, so my 9 FNBTC is going to be converted and turned to USDT. So in this video tutorial, instead of me swapping it for USDT, I want to swap it for BNB because I need BNB. But as I said, you can swap it for USDT. Okay, so therefore you now click on swap anyway. It's going to give you this information: price impact too high, proceed with caution. That is fine. Okay, final execution price may differ from the market price due to trader size, available liquidity, and trading routes. Please proceed with caution. This is fine. This is the normal thing that you get. And then below here you will see the charge, the fee they are going to charge you for your swapping. Okay, so I am going to click swap anyway, and right here it's going to give you this window for you to accept the price. Okay, so you accept the price and then you click swap anyway, and then it's going to tell you that the swap has a price impact. You say okay, I just swap it anyway because I needed that. So you click confirm again and then click confirm again. Okay, so that is now getting swapped, and then it's going to say transaction receipt. If you want to view it on the blockchain, you just click there to view it on the blockchain. Okay, so that is your transaction done. Okay, so everything is recorded on the blockchain, right? So now you go back to your decentralized wallet, and then you see your BNB increased. Okay, if it is BNB you are swapping it for, you can see that my BNB was only $3. Now it is $22. Okay, so this is how to swap your FNBTC for BNB or USDT. Same way you can withdraw and swap it. Okay, please rewind this video if you are not sure of how to do this. Rewind it and watch it again. If you have any issues, contact me on my Messenger, Telegram, or my WhatsApp. I will be able to help you guys. This is another way to withdraw from NEWBTC mining platform, and for you to able to swap it as well and then get your USDT or BNB. So if you would like to join NEWBTC mining, the link to do so is below this video description. The minimum to start mining is 0.5 FNBTC. So you can start now with maybe 1 FNBTC, 2 FNBTC, 10 FNBTC, any amount of FNBTC you want to use to start. You are more than welcome to do so. The link to join this platform is below this video description. I have done a video showing you how to get started with this, and all the links of the video and the instructions for you to get started is below this video description. If you wish to join this platform, you are more than welcome to do so. So guys, thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video.